Hey guys, so I'm here at Nola Sky Townhome Apartments here near Rancho. So let's go check these out. But first, let's do the crime map, and if there's any sex offenders living in these apartments, let's check them out. Okay guys, so the zip code is 89130. That is the zip code for this place. You have 0 homicides, you have 3 sex offenses, 9 aggravated assault, 3 robberies, 8 burglaries, 50 larceny, 22 motor vehicle theft, 0 embezzlement, drugs and narcotics 8, arson is 0, forgery is 2, destruction of property is 20, stolen property is 0, fraud 6, extortion 4, and bribery 0. Okay guys, so there are none living in these apartments, but you do have 7 sex offenders living around these apartments, unfortunately. So as you can see, you guys, we are in the Rancho area. But yes, you guys, there are 7 sex offenders, but there are none living in these apartments. Okay, so now let's go check out these apartments. Okay guys, so that was the Nola Sky Apartments or townhomes slash apartments here. The girl who helped me, her name was Julissa. She was the assistant property manager that toured the place with me. So definitely let her know that I sent you. Okay, so they do have only 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, floor plans, and then they have a 3-bedroom and 2.5-bathroom floor plans. So they don't have a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Obviously, these are townhomes, so they definitely look like homes, you guys. They are brand new build. They just finished, she said, so this is a brand new construction. So let's go through the floors, deposits, fees, the monthly utility services, and what the pet guidelines are and everything. So let's go. Okay, you guys, so the B1 is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms, and it is 1056 square feet. Then you have a B2, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms, which is 1254 square feet. Then you have the C1, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 1317 square feet. Then you have a C2, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 1248 square feet. Now, deposits and fees. It says application fee is $50 per applicant, administration fee is $200, and security fee is $500 with approved credit. Application approval fee is $200. And then you have the monthly utility services, which is water, sewage, and then trash billed based on usage. And then the community amenity fee is $95. Obviously, that is to use their amenities, unfortunately. Okay, so the pet guidelines is 2 pets per home, no weight limit, breed restrictions do apply, and then you have a non-refundable fee of $400 per pet. Then pet rent is $40 a month per pet. Now, if you do have an ESA pet, you guys, again, just give them the information, and then they're just going to have to verify it with a third party. Once that is verified, they're going to waive all that fee. And then it says rates and concessions are subject to change. Renters insurance are required to these properties. Now, you are responsible for creating a Nevada Energy account and a Southwest Gas account as well. Now, the floor plan that we saw was a B1, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1056 square feet. And today, the amount for that, I guess, townhome is $2230 a month. Obviously, you have to calculate the community amenity fee, which is $95 on top of the $2230, and then obviously the water, sewage, and trash is only based on usage, and obviously Nevada Energy and Southwest Gas. So yes, so that is the price, you guys, and the deposits and fees for this apartment. Now let's see how far everything is at from these apartments. Walmart is going to be 5 minutes away. Target is going to be 8 minutes away. Costco is going to be 9 minutes away, or 16 minutes away. Sam's Club is going to be 16 minutes away, or 16 minutes away, or 20 minutes away. So you don't have a close one close by. Albertson is going to be 7 minutes away. Smith's is going to be 7 minutes away, or 7 minutes away. Trader Joe is going to be 11 minutes away, or 13 minutes away. Whole Foods is going to be 10 minutes away. Sprouts is going to be 12 minutes away, or 13 minutes away. IKEA is going to be 26 minutes away. The airport is going to be 23 minutes away. The Strip is going to be 19 minutes away. Fremont Street is going to be 11 minutes away. Petco is going to be 13 minutes away, or 14 minutes away. PetSmart is going to be 10 minutes away, or 11 minutes away. Now, you do have some high schools close by to these apartments, you guys. You have one at 8 minutes away, 10 minutes away, or 8 minutes away. And you do have some elementary schools as well, you guys, close by. You have one at 4 minutes away, or 8 minutes away, or 5 minutes away. Winco is going to be 13 minutes away, or 11 minutes away. And then I also just wanted to show you guys where these apartments are at in the Las Vegas map. You do have some hospitals close by, which is 10 minutes away, or a UMC Quick Care at 8 minutes away, or another one that is 12 minutes away. Alright guys, so that was the Nola Sky Apartments / Townhomes here in Las Vegas. They are brand new construction, so I'm going to leave all the little information that I forget to mention down below. Also their website, that way you can click on them and set up a tour with them. Again, you guys, the girl that helped me, her name was Julissa, so definitely let her know that I sent you. She was super friendly. She answered any questions that I had. What I think about these apartments / townhomes, you guys, guys. They make you feel like you are actually in a little home. They look very nice inside. I love the layout and everything. The B1 obviously is the smallest one. As you can see where the dining table is, you can't really have like a big dining table, but it does come with a garage, and the garage does have the washer and dryer inside. So to me, that is a huge plus. That way you don't have to rent out like a storage place. So it can definitely save you some money there. Also the upstairs, super nice. The rooms are very spacious, you guys. Then you have a balcony, which is very spacious. So I really like them. I like the fact that they have the pool, they have a playground for kids, then they have garages attached to the townhomes, which I really like. What I will say about the neighborhood, you guys, they are definitely working on improving the neighborhood. It is not the very best. From what I used to hear back in the day, that it was pretty rough. Like this area was pretty rough, but they are cleaning it. They have tore down the station casino, and she said that what they're building there is similar to like downtown Summerlin. So they're gonna have like little shops there, they're gonna have restaurants and cafes, and that's gonna be literally like 5 minutes away from you. So this area is definitely up and coming. Then you have your cookie cutter homes everywhere here, which I was pretty impressed, because I think in like 2020 when me and Richard would drive to Walmart, it would just be like the station casinos, and then you have like the budget suites and stuff. So the area has definitely improved over the 5 years. So yeah, you know, if you're looking kind of in this area, definitely check these out. And if I left anything, you guys, I will always leave it down below in the description bar. But if I forget anything, just definitely ask me in the comments section below, and I will try and give you the best answer that I can find. So alright guys, but if you like this video, give it a good thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys, and don't forget to turn on that post notification bell. That way, as soon as I upload a video, YouTube will let you know, and you can click on it if you want. But I will see you in my next apartment, you guys. Bye.